and get notified.
In a major relief for traffic movement at the Sant Innes Panjim area, the controversial structure at the Sant Innes Y junction was finally demolished on Monday evening. The demolition was carried out after the court declared the building illegal. Whereas the owners of the property, Thomas Montero and Kaitan Mascarenhas, stated that they have been running the establishment prior liberation, during Portuguese rule, with proper documentation. They also alleged that no 24 hours intimation was given to them. Located at a crucial junction, the structure had been obstructing traffic flow following road widening under the Smart City project. The Imagine Panjim Smart City Development Limited had been unable to take action earlier due to a court-imposed stay on the demolition.
In this case, I was representing Mr. Caetano, and he is present over here. Today, matter was fixed for the order at 3:30, and we got a copy around 4:30, and immediately at the site, these two bulldozers have come without giving any opportunity to approaching the higher authorities or the higher courts. And this action is not permissible in law because these structures is not constructed overnight. These structures were there for last 70 to 80 years. And being I am a Sant Innes resident, I have seen from my childhood this particular structure. And in fact, these notices and this matter was proceeding for last 7-8 months. And all of a sudden, this structure has been order has been passed demolishing the structure without giving any opportunity. Even a 24 hours show cause notice for vacating the structure has not been given. If you see this site, now some of the materials has been removed from this particular structure. And this action is like as if we are also in UP. Even the Supreme Court says that even for the construction, any illegal occupied, 24 hours notice has to be given. But here the 24 hours notice is also not given. I do not understand what will happen to the common citizens who are staying over their houses with their all legal permission. And here we have also requested the government to rehabilitate us. We are not against the opening the smart city work.
हेजेर आमी आनी कांयच करूंक शकूंक ना. आमी हिंगा हांव म्हाजो पणजे गेलो. पणजेसून